Hey, good afternoon, guys. Tennessee Yankee coming at you on a beautiful Sunday, sun shining, blue skies. I'm testing out my whole house generator setup today. I'll put a link at the end of this video to my Firman generator if you haven't seen it. But the whole idea of today's video is I've had this interlock system set up and this whole house wiring set up as a backup for my generator for about 6 months now, and I've never got around to testing it. So that's what I'm going to do today. We're going to make sure everything works. Like I said, haven't you had to use my generator yet? That's one of those things I think it's nice to have, but it seems like once you install it, does the power ever go out again? I was losing power about every 3 months prior to getting this generator. So we'll take you along on that today. Hopefully this will help you if you're looking to accomplish the same kind of setup. So here's my interlock setup at the panel. Like I said, I haven't tried this yet, so we're gonna give it a shot. I got one spare opening at the moment in my panel. But this is how this works. This is what the guy installed down here. So, you know, this is just the main, and really it's an expensive piece of metal contraption that you're paying for here. I have a GE load center. I'm sure most of the different manufacturers have their own, but in essence what we're doing here is I'm going to be running my generator into this 50 amp breaker, and when we go to the outside you'll see my outside setup. So that feeds into this breaker. So what happens is when we lose power, say a storm or a line's down, I have to throw the main, and then once I throw the main, that will allow this to slide down and then slide over, so I'll be able to put the 50 amp breaker on. So the whole idea behind this is you can't accidentally run this at the same time as the main and backfeed power to the electrical lines. So we're going to test this for the first time today. I've had it installed for months and months. I haven't needed to use it. Okay, so here's my setup without powering anything up yet. I'll do this now and show you because it's going to be loud once I start it. But I got her plugged in here. I got the power turned off. So once I got the generator running and have everything ready to go at the breaker panel, I'll go ahead and flip that on. So I'm just running that alongside my house here, and then that's going up into the 50 amp box here, and I can close this a little bit, but no. Okay, so here goes the first attempt at testing this out. So I'm going to throw the main. So there's all the power to the house, and now I'm just going to start clipping these off. All right, now that this is the main was thrown, you can see this slides right down. So now I can turn on my 50 amp breaker here, and then now I can go start the generator because we're safely locked out here. And then with this on, once I get the generator going, I'll come in and I'll start throwing a few loads, and then we can go check and make sure everything's working. Okay, with everything off in the house, we're switched over to the generator. So let's fire this up and then we'll put a load to it. So if you haven't seen a video on this generator, I'll link it at the end of this video. But I picked this up from Costco last summer, $200 off. I think it was, trying to refresh my memory now, I think it was $6.99 for this generator, and really good deal. Been happy with it so far. Like I said, I haven't used it to run the house yet, so that's what we're testing today. But I did put a battery tender on here, so I keep that on. I put it on probably once every few weeks for a little bit, and then today I just ran the generator. It's important that you run it, you know, probably monthly, just to keep it going. And then of course I keep it full of good 100% no ethanol fuel So let's give it a go. Switch this to on for gas here. And then we just need to crank it. And I shouldn't need to choke it because I ran it just a little bit ago. No, still wants it a little bit. So the choke is over here. I had trouble finding that at first, but that's right where it is, right above the air cleaner. I will throw the load on. I'm getting 245. Okay, back at the load center. I don't know if you can hear it, but generator's going. So I'm just going to start throwing some breakers and we'll see here what we got. Let's see, number 33 is our microwave. We'll put that on. And let's get some living room lights on. And let's see, I got a kitchen circuit is 19. We'll put that on. Still haven't heard anything yet. Probably won't try to run my hot tub on the generator power. That would be bad. Let's turn on the master bath up here. And let's see. Let's pick our garage because we have a fridge out here. And we'll put these two on. And maybe this light circuit here. Still haven't heard anything giving it a problem yet with those circuits going. Yeah, we'll throw this 27. Again, still sounds like it's going. Let's go see if we have power at some of these places. So I see my garage door lit up, so those are working. As soon as I walk in the house here, I got power. Check out got the microwave. Fridge is on. Alexa's coming up. So it seems like success. Got lights out here in the shop. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. You know, I've thrown almost every breaker on here except some of the major ones. Obviously, I'm not going to run my AC compressor right now or my hot tub. If I wanted to run AC for a while, I'd cut a lot of other things back before I try that. But I've thrown 80% of these breakers in here right now, and the generator's still running strong. So I appreciate this interlock setup. I like it versus I've seen some other setups where you run it to another panel and then you gotta choose from like 5 breakers. So this gives you the option and complete flexibility to turn on and off what you need to.
Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your right. I have other content linked for you on the left side. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching.